Hello, thanks for moving with Optimum. In this video, we're going to show you how to self-set up your equipment. This quick and easy setup should take 20 minutes or less. Activate your device by using the link in the email or text we sent you. Once the app tracks your order, click Let's Go. Open the box and confirm you have a gateway, power cord, coaxial cable, and Ethernet cable, then click I've got everything. Then choose where your gateway should go. Make sure it is off the ground, centrally located, away from anything, and near coaxial and power outlets. Plug in the coaxial cable. Securely plug one end of the coaxial cable into the wall and tap I've connected coax to wall outlet. Then plug the other end into the gateway and tap I've connected coax to gateway. Plug one end of the power cord into the gateway and the other half into the nearest electrical outlet. Your gateway will now start powering up. Tap Turn on Internet Services. This can take up to 20 minutes. If you're using a wired connection, your device can be connected to the gateway with the Ethernet cable. If you have an extender, keep following the app instructions. Congratulations! You're now connected. Thanks for choosing Optimum.